advantages of working for a Spanish company. But I've known about this truck right here for a while, and I just wanted to show you guys. It's a movie lighting truck, and it's really cool. You get your filter around. Yeah, appears to be, I don't know, it could be 90s, but I think it's probably late 80s. Peterbilt 362. It's pretty cool. It's in really good shape. Storm wind. Oh, yeah, it's pretty cool. Like I said, they use it for movie lighting. So of course they fill the whole back with all the lighting stuff. It's like it's got a nice camel brown interior. Love that stuff. Ah, look at that. Operated by Netflix Production. Looks like it's a full double frame. Yep, it is. What's it got for a motor? Transmission's white. I wonder if the motor's white. Nope, it's got a Cummins Big Cam 3, just like my 362 does. It's really cool. Got polished wheels all the way around. I saw them a couple weeks ago. They were emptying it out. So I wonder if they're getting ready to sell it or what's going on with it, but it's super cool. You know, the movie industry is huge in Georgia because they don't have the entertainment tax, so like all the Netflix stuff is shot here. Yeah, super cool. Wish they'd sell me some parts off of it, because I need these reflectors. I need the center windshield wiper arm. Of course, this reflector. I'd really like to have that bumper, but I don't know. Maybe I'll see somebody out here one day and I'll get to talk to them. .362s are just so tall. Like, my 362 is about a foot taller than my K100. You know, they called the Ford the two-story Falcon, but I ain't got shit on a Peterbilt. Well, alright guys, I just wanted to share this with you, and got some trucking videos coming up pretty soon, so y'all stay tuned. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.